Good morning. How is it going, boys and girls, and hey, everybody out there? Oh, dark 30 out here. Nice, bright and early 300-yard pour before we start a normal day. Pump truck. Everybody's getting in line, waiting their turn. It's gonna be a long day. Concrete life. Nice thing about pours this early is there's no traffic. Hopefully everybody's having a good morning so far. Coffee time. Gotta love portable lights. Makes jobs like this possible. Not too bad out this morning. No fog. Not a lot of deer out yet, luckily. Surprisingly. But we're not too far from the yard, so not really a big deal. They're wanting to put a truck through every 10 minutes, but they're going to have to pick up the pace if they're going to do that. We got to hurry up, get this job done so we get to our contractors that were scheduled previously. This was a last minute squeeze in, that's why it's so early. We all came in at 3:30 and on the job site at 4. We've been in earlier. It's what you do for concrete. If you don't like getting up early, don't get into the concrete life.
He just spit out a chunk.
Looks like the first truck is empty. He's spinning out. Must be my cue to pull on up.
Okay, Josh.
Sounds like they got the 5th truck loaded.
It's pretty dark up there. How much you need, Josh? 5, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Right there.
He needs to get that flashlight on a solid color.
That's better, I can see now.
Well, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. I'll go to doing shorts after this.